diagonal lines like this. Again, a horizontal line for this part. Another line that connects to a small circle. This is the ship's anchor. Now, the ship's cabin. It has 5 round windows. And finally, 3 columns in this very simple shape. The ship is sailing on the blue ocean. Some birds are flying in the sky. It's time to color. The ship has a big red and yellow body. Good job! Pink. This is a big and colorful ship. Gray. Green. Red. This ship looks very strong and fast. Yellow for cabin. There are 3 chimneys with smoke coming out. Light orange, pink, and red. The waves are blue and purple. Let's imagine where the ship is going. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video, my friends. Are you ready to draw another ship? Let's go! After drawing a circle, we draw 2 arcs on either side of it. A foamy sea waves under the ship that shows it is moving. We draw 2 lines through the middle of the ship. A few small circles, and the ship's anchor on the other side. Now it's time to draw the ship's cabin. A few windows like this. The ship has 2 big chimneys. A flag. Clouds and a shining sun. Let's use orange to color the ship together. Keep coloring with orange. We will use orange until the end of this part. Green, black, blue, pink, yellow. The windows are blue and yellow. Purple, green again, red for flag, gray. The sun is shining bright and yellow. Awesome! Are you ready? Subscribe! See you in the next video!